Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Mid-Level 1 Housing Cost. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with blackboards, engage my IT lab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment: Exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Mid-Level 1 Housing Cost. There are total 17 questions of this assignment. Let me zoom this. Here is a project description. You can also read it out carefully for better understanding of this assessment project. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is: start Excel, download and open the file name exp25 Excel Chapter 6 ML1 HW Housing Cost. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download this file exp25 Excel Chapter 6 Mid-Level 1 Housing Cost from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from my IT Lab dashboard. Here is a file I have already downloaded. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is: assign the range names B9 base, B15 interior, and B21 exterior, and B23 lot. Basically, in this question, you will have to assign a range name for these cells B9, B15, B21, and B23. First, you will have to go to the cell B9 and set the range name base. Copy this, move to the workbook B9, cell B9. In this name, you will have to assign a range name base. Okay. And the next is interior. You will have to select the cell B15, this one B15, enter this interior, and range name for cell B21 exterior, B21, this one exterior, copy and paste this, and B23 is lot. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is: question number 3 is enter a formula in cell B25 to calculate the total estimated cost. The total estimated cost is the sum of the base house price B9, total interior upgrades B15, total exterior upgrades B21, and lot fee B23. Be sure to use the range names in the formula. Basically, in this question, you will have to write a formula in cell B25 to calculate the total estimated cost using these prices. Go to the workbook in cell B25, write a formula to calculate the total cost. Base house price B9, this one, then plus total interior upgrades, and then plus total exterior grades upgrades, these three. Total interior grades B15 are done, total exterior grade B21 are done, and the last one is total lot fee B23 plus B23, this one. As you can see that the range names are now displayed, the base, interior, exterior plus lot. This one, be sure to use the range names in the formula. These are the range names, then press enter. As you can see that the total estimated cost are now calculated in this cell. Move to the instruction file. Question number 3 are completed. Question number 4 is use goal seek to determine the total finished square footage to meet the total cost goal of $350,000. Move to the workbook, select the cell, then go to the data tab, then go to the forecast group, click on what if analysis, then click on goal seek. To value in this field you will have to type $50. By changing cell, the total finished square footage, total finished square, this one, then press OK. Goal seek status are showing, then OK. As you can see that $350 are now displayed. This one $350,000. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is enter a series of total square footage ranging from 1800 to 3600 in increments of 200 in the range D6 to D15. Apply blue font and comma style with 0 decimal places to the series. Basically, in this question, you will have to enter a series of total square footage ranging from 1800 to 3600 with increment of 200. Move to the workbook, then this cell D6, you will have to type range 1800, then the stop value is 3600 with increment of 200. Select the cell, then you will go to the home tab, then go to the editing group, then click on this fill button, click on series, then select the column. Step value is 200, means increment value 200, and the stop value is 3600. and press OK. As you can see that the series are now created after increment of 200, and the next point is apply blue font and comma style with 0 decimal places to the series. Apply blue font and comma style with 0 decimal places to the series. First you will have to select this series, apply blue color, this one, blue color, and comma style with 0 decimal places. In the number group, click on this comma style with 0 decimal places. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is enter a reference to the base house price in cell E5 and a reference to the total estimated cost in cell F5. In this question, you will have to enter a reference to the base house price in cell E5. First, we select the cell E5 and then reference to the base house price in cell E5. Then the base house price, this one, we have pass a reference. This one. And the next is add a reference to the total estimated cost in cell F5. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is complete the single variable data table in the range D5 to D5 to F15. Be sure to use total square footage as the column input. Apply custom number formats to the display base cost in the cell E5 and the total cost in cell F5. Apply these formats to the heading, bold, center and blue font color. First you will have to select this range. Select this range. And be sure to use the total square footage as the column input. Apply custom number format. Go to the data tab, what if analysis dialog box, then click on data table. Use the total square footage as column input. Total square footage. This one, total square footage as column input. As you can see that the series are now filled according to the data table range. Question number 7 are completed, and the next point of this question is apply custom number format to display the base cost in cell E5. In E5, copy this in cell E5. E5, then you will go to the home tab, then click on this number section, number format launcher. Click on this, go to the custom, then general, remove this, then add inverted commas, then paste this base cost, then close the inverted commas, then press OK. The base cost are now displayed, and the next is in cell E5 and the total cost in cell F5. Copy this F5, this one, go to the home tab and the number section, click on this launcher, click on general, remove this total cost and close the inverted commas, then click OK. The total cost, and the next point of this question number 7 is apply these formats to the headings, bold, center and blue font color. Go to the workbook, select these headings, apply blue color, click on this color, blue color, apply this color, then center align this, center align, and then bold this. Question number 7 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is identify the square footage, base price and total cost in the data table that comes closest to their goal. Apply yellow fill color to those cells. Move to the workbook. This one. Select this and apply the yellow fill color. Click on this. Question number 8 are done now. We have now completed 8 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.